What prompted you to choose IB system of education for your kid?
Actually, we came back from the UK in June, and the system of education there and here is very different in terms of the other boards. And what we really wanted to do was give him application-based learning rather than having to cram up lots of notebooks and textbooks. I think that is the reason which we really thought, and we have seen IB board in the education pattern it follows, and we were really focused on we want to send him to an IB board.
I think also being Indian parents brought up in Indian conditions, we definitely knew best of both worlds. So I think we went to UK, we saw that, we came here, we saw the same quality of education being provided here in India. So why not actually go for it? I mean, that was one reason that I would say that yes, picking the best of what is available to me. So.
What is the kind of research you guys did on IB in India and why?
While we were coming back, before we came back, we had searched lots of websites and we had asked lots of friends who have their children in IB school, in IB education and all. And they all gave us very positive feedback of IB education. That was one. And in the research, it was mostly internet-based and from friends.
I think also the response time by NES specifically from about getting back to us, because we are not in the country, the only thing that we had access to email and telephone. The assurance and the feed and the response time was very good, and we felt very comfortable in the way that they responded to us. So I think that was what made us feel comfortable, and we thought we will get personal attention to my child as well, as they're giving personal attention to the candidates who want to come in. So
are you happy with the kind of development your child's development and progress?
Absolutely.
There's no second thought about it. I think he is in very safe hands, and I'm sure he will do something good with his life.
If you compare IB board and any other board, you just see kids otherwise.
Yeah.
So do you find any specific differentiation between
I have a very strong opinion about that, because I think, coming to think of it, CBSE, ICSE and all these different boards, it appears on the first court that the children know more. And by knowing more, I feel it is more of, that rattled knowledge which the textbooks have given them. And it always comes across as parents, showing off, okay, he knows this, and he has learned this as well. But I think when it comes to application, when it comes to the basic root level understanding of the things, I think IB education really takes over.
Would you recommend it to your friends?
We have already started recommending. To be honest, I mean, it was never a recommendation.
It was not a
I would
recommendation. It was like a thought that it should be.
Yeah, I think as it was in the discussion, I think each child is different, each parent is different. I think it's best to decide for them. But as far as we are concerned, we are very, very pro IB, and I think we will definitely advise anybody who wants to have an opinion from us.
As a basic system of education also, I think AB is going to take over in India quite a bit, because parents are slowly realizing what the importance is and what education really is, rather than textbooks. It is more application, I think. So I think it will grow.
Yes, definitely. I mean, as I said, I mean, till now there has been nothing which I would say has gone negative or probably has gone against expectations.
Yeah. I think the one thing which is very good about here is the teachers. I think the teachers are they really take personal attention, and they're very approachable. So you can, I mean, whenever I have a problem, I just have to send in a note, and I immediately get a response. I get a call from the school, and I don't think there is any problem in that sense. I guess it's wonderful.
Just your names and your students in which your child is.
I am
myself, Tanay.
I'm Priyanka, and we are Arush Kumar's mom and dad, and he's in PYP 1A.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.